Okay, so couple final words. So one more time, CubeSys Summit, September 26, 28 this year. There is a link here. You can also go to the events 3mdev.com and you will have list of upcoming events. You can go through that website. The event will happen in the social hub. We tried to change the location, but it was not that easy. But anyway, social hub worked for us for some time and it will work also this time. Social hub, Berlin, Germany. See you there. The event, of course, we're looking for sponsors. Yeah, there is prospectus, which is public. If you want to sponsor the event, take a look at the prospectus. If the packages are too high for you, we also are okay with smaller donations, which will happen through Open Collective. That's also fine. And the tickets are paid. If you really know you will go, I will really recommend buying the cheapest one, 50 euro. I hope this is not much for a 3-day event, and thanks to that we can make this event at least with the compensation of all the costs that we have. The cost rising, but then you're getting all the talks. We can produce the videos correctly. We can set up all the audio, video correctly. We're doing almost everything ourselves. So there is no kind of external company hired, because then we will definitely not have enough resources for that. But also the location takes some cost. And of course, we would like to have some gadgets for you. If those are even like a very small one, very simple one, still this is important part of being on conference. Yeah. If you will decide later, then price will be higher. And yeah, so spread the word, join the event. If you want to have a talk, please let us know. Of course, speakers do not pay any tickets. Please just send your proposal to cfp3mdev.com, and there is a CubeSys Summit link there. Okay, we have to switch to vPub. It's 1 minute left. First speaker for us will be Richard Hughes. I'm very happy that Richard agreed to join and agreed to have this discussion. I was hoping for that discussion for a very long time. Even last quarter, we discussed that it would be great to have Richard. There are multiple topics that we would like to discuss. HSI, host security ID, which is very important. A lot of people trying to look into that and make a purchasing decision based on HSI. Of course, FWPD, LVFS, both sides of updates and both sides of the hosting is important, and cost of that. So yeah, so I'm very happy to have Richard here to talk about that. There is some mysterious talk from Michik, and Michik will talk about the AMD OpenSeal, and who knows, maybe there will be some something to showcase, or maybe not. I don't know. It's up to Michik. But anyway, AMD OpenSeal is the thing that coming, and we have to prepare for that. And Dasharo have to be a leader and probably first open source firmware distribution which will support modern AMD with OpenSeal. And then finally, third talk will be with Demi. And Demi will right now is a former CubeSys team, CubeSys developer right now in Spectrum. Spectrum is very cool, minimalistic. I would say the same virtual-based security, but minimalistic in comparison to CubeSys. And yeah, I hope that this will be very cool talk, which, as always, Demi delivers in a way that influence and lobby security in the open source firmware and open source operating system area. Yeah, so please use Dasharo. Please spread the word about Dasharo. Test, choose, know your firmware. You can do it with Dasharo. And let's move on to the vPub. Do we have Richard?